Hello everyone, this is my review of this Saucertree swing. The 40-inch diameter provides ample space for them to swing together, and the vibrant flags add a fun touch. Sturdy construction, the heavy-duty 1680D Oxford fabric and steel frame is robust and safe. High weight capacity with a 700 pounds limit, even adults can join in the fun. Easy installation, the included Carabiners and step-by-step instructions made setup straightforward. It holds up well against rain and sun without any signs of wear. Depending on your tree height, you might need to purchase additional rope for optimal hanging. Overall, it's a fantastic investment, and I hope this review helps.